computer system and its classification. What is computer system? A computer system consists of hardware components that have been carefully chosen so that they work well together, and software components or programs that run in the computer. The main software component is itself an operating system that manages and provides services to other programs that can be run in the computer. In it, in its most basic form, a computer system is a programmable electronic device that can accept input, store data, and retrieve, process, and output information. A computer is a device that can be programmed to manipulate symbols. It replies to a specific set of instructions and can perform a pre-recorded list of instructions, say a program. Also, it can instantly store and recover large amounts of data. Computers are primarily arranged according to purpose, size, and data handling functionalities. Classifications of computers. Classification of computer based on size: microcomputer, mini computer, mainframe computer, supercomputer. Based on work: analog computer, digital computer, hybrid computer. Based on purpose: special purpose, general purpose. Classification of computer size. Microcomputers. These are commonly used for personal computing purposes. They carry a single process for their CPU and the microprocessor that controls it. Example of microcomputers include laptops, tablets, mobile phones, and personal digital assistants. Microcomputers, ito ay ang mga karaniwang desktop at laptop na computer na ginagamit ng mga individual at mga maliliit na negosyo para sa pang-araw-araw na gawain tulad ng pagsusulat, pag-browse sa internet at paglalaro. Mini computers. These computers were created in the middle in the 1960s, and the early mini computers replaced vacuum tube with transistor. They have a larger storage capacity and faster computing power than microcomputers, are capable of supporting hundreds of users simultaneously. Devices such as the Apple iPad, and Samsung Tab are example of mini computers. Mini computers, mga maliliit na computer na karaniwang ginagamit para sa espesyalidong mga gawain tulad ng control ng proseso at data processing sa mga kumpanya. Medium-sized computers. Compared to both microcomputers and mini computers, this computer system offers faster speed and a larger storage space. These computers have numerous disk drives that can be utilized to process online access requests as well as a sizable number of high-speed input-output device. Common example of a medium-sized computer includes IBM Power System. Ang medium-sized computers ay may mga computer na may katamtamang sukat o laki. Ito ay hindi masyadong malaki tulad ng mga mainframe computers, ngunit hindi rin masyadong maliit tulad ng mga personal computers. Personal computer. A personal computer, often referred to as a PC, is a computer designed for individual use. It is typically used for tasks such as word processing, internet browsing, email, multimedia playback, and gaming. Ang personal computers naman ay mga computer na karaniwang ginagamit ng mga individual para sa personal na mga layunin tulad ng trabaho, edukasyon at entertainment. Ito ay mas maliit at mas abot kaya kumpara sa ibang klase ng computer. Mainframe computers. Mainframe computers are large-scale computers commonly used by corporations, government agencies, and institutions for critical tasks such as banking transaction processing, managing large databases, and other functions requiring high capacity and capability. They have the ability to process large amount of data and sustain long-term operation. Ang mainframe computers, ito ay malalaking computer na karaniwang ginagamit para sa mga organisasyon at korporasyon para sa malaking transaksyon at progreso ng data tulad ng sa bangko at mga kumpanyang telekomunikasyon. Supercomputers. These computers are enormous in size and extremely powerful. They specifically designed to handle high amounts of data. They're capable of executing hundreds of millions of instructions every second. Supercomputers are typically used for calculation intensive tasks such as molecular modeling, climate research, weather forecasting, quantum physics, and physical stimulation. Ang supercomputer, ang mga ito ay pinakamalalaking at pinakamabilis na klase ng computer na karaniwang ginagamit para sa mga komplikadong simulasyon at progreso ng data tulad ng pananaliksik sa meteorolohiya at pagdesisyon sa pagsasaliksik sa scientific. Analog computer. This type of computer system continuously processes varying data without translating it first into numbers and codes. It can simply accept the data from the equipment of measurement. It guides the constant variation in physical quantities, and a reading on a dial or scale serves as the output. A speedometer or a mercury thermometer are example of analog computers. Analog computers, ito ay computer na gumagamit ng mga variable tulad ng galaw, presyon o temperatura para sa pagproseso ng data. Digital computer. Digital computer effortlessly calculate algorithm and logical processes at rapid speeds. They use stored programs in their memory to process raw data as an input and then output the result. Since they can only understand binary inputs, these computers convert the raw input data to 0 and 1, after which the data is processed to create the result. Digital computers include all current models and desktop, laptops, and cell phones. Ang digital computers, ito ay pinakakaraniwang klase ng computer na gumagamit ng numerical na sistema para sa pagproseso ng data at pagkukontrol ng mga functions. Hybrid computer. This computer is a combination of both analog and digital computers. Hybrid computers combine the speed of an analog computer with the accuracy and memory of a digital computer. As a result, they can handle both continuous and discrete data. Hybrid computers convert analog signals into digital signals for use when processing input data after accepting analog signals as input. Hybrid computers, ito ay computer na gumagamit ng parehong digital at analog na teknolohiya para sa mas mataas na pagganap at kakayahang magproseso ng data sa mga espesyalisadong aplikasyon tulad ng pagmumodelo ng weather forecasting at medical imaging. Summary. Computers are divided into several categories based on their architecture, the speed at which commands or instructions are carried out, the peripherals they use, and the tasks for which they were designed. The different computer types may be divided into two groups based on the size and capacity for handling data. There are 5 main kinds of computers based on size: PC, personal computer, mini computer, microcomputers, supercomputers, and mainframe. Additionally, there are 3 different kinds of computers based on their capacity to manage data. A computer can be digital, hybrid, or analog. Source: https://wtarget.com. Thank you po.